5 home remedies for runny nose in child. Runny nose is a cause of the discomfort in babies and children alike. Allergy or head cold is often the cause of the health condition. Sometimes a foreign object may be caused by the runny nose. When it gets stuck inside the wrong area of the body, which causes the insensitive nature of the child. A runny nose is characterized by accumulation of the excessive mucus fluid within the nasal cavity of the child. It may also cause cough, fever, irritability, sneezing, sleep-related issues, loss of appetite, and other problems. Nasal congestion may accompany runny nose. Number 1 is chamomile. For babies who are at least 1 year old, the herb chamomile can relieve the symptoms and discomfort of a runny nose. This herb is an immune booster and it also reduces the sneezing due to its excellent antihistamine properties. Put 1 teaspoon of the dried chamomile flower in a cup of the boiling water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Add some honey for taste and give the mild tea to your sick baby twice daily. Number 2 is warm chicken soup. For chicken older than 1 year old, chicken soup will be reduced the discomfort for a runny nose. And then chicken soup improves the immune system functioning and even prevents the infection in the upper respiratory tract. Plus chicken soup is a light and nutritious for a sick child. Make homemade chicken soup using the organic chicken and vegetables such as carrot, beetroots and spinach. You can give child this soup 2 to 3 times a day. Number 3 is sponge bath. If your child has a low temperature with a runny nose, give him or her a cool water bath or sponge bath to help to regulate the body temperature. A sponge bath will also help to relax your child and make him or her sleep better, which is essential for the faster recovery. For small babies or younger than 1 year, give a spoon and a sponge bath. Give a sponge bath 2 to 3 times a day. Soak armpit, feet, hands and groin. For older children, a cool bath can also be given once or twice daily. Number 4 is increased fluid intake. Give your baby plenty of fluids to prevent the dehydration. It is very important to keep your body properly hydrated to promote the drainage of the nasal secretions and soothing of the nasal cavities. This makes easier to cough with the blow the nose. If your baby is still breastfeeding is a good option. You can also give your baby formula, that is a plain milk. If the older children, give plain child water, diluted fruit juices or gelatin flavored water. Number 5 is cool mist humidifier. You can also use a cool mist humidifier in your child's bedroom to add moisture to the air. This will help to loosen up the mucus to allow the easy drainage. It will even reduce labor breathing so that he or he can sleep properly. Run a cool mist humidifier in your child's rooms overnight to help to seek the baby finally and get the much needed rest and recover quickly.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.